DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
If the sun were the size of a golf ball, how far away would the closest star be? Well, if we draw a map of the United States, and I'm not the greatest drawer in the world, but let's just say this is the United States, this is New York, and this is Los Angeles, and this is Chicago, and this is Denver. So, if the sun were the size of a golf ball, and you had the sun right here in Los Angeles, the closest star would be in Denver, or about 800 miles. Can you imagine that? You're in Los Angeles, you take off in a spaceship, and you're tiny because because the Earth compared to the sun is only about like that big. Okay, that's about 12 feet away, by the way, so that'd be about 12 feet. So could you imagine being this is you on the Earth around the sun, this little tiny dot, and you're even tinier because you're a human, and your spaceship is like microscopic, a virus basically, and you travel to the nearest star, and you're looking for a size of golf ball. Could you imagine how far that is? And by the way, that's 4.4 light years. Or if you were in New York, the closest star would be in Chi-Town, the Windy City, Chicago, baby. And sometimes I run across, people that say they're teachers, and I ask them what a light year is. What is a light year? Well, it's not a measure of time, I'll tell you that. It's a measure of distance. It's the distance that light travels in 1 year. So, here's another way to look at it. Let's say you're in LA, or let's say you're on Earth, and you point a laser pointer at the closest star. How long would it take before let's say you have a friend on the closest star. How long would it take for your friend to see it? 4.4 years he'd be waiting for that laser to show up. And to give you another perspective on size, our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, we're about 35,000 light years from the center of the galaxy. That's 35,000. This whole thing is 100,000 light years across. In other words, if you had a magic spaceship that could go at the speed of light and you started at one end of the Milky Way galaxy, it would take you 100,000 years to get to the other side. If you wanted to go to the center of the galaxy from our star, from the sun, it would take you 35,000 years at the speed of light. And the universe is huge. I've always thought that might be one of the reasons we haven't seen that many aliens, because they have to solve the problem of traveling faster than the speed of light to get there at any kind of a reasonable time. So anyway, there you go. Golf ball, New York to Chicago is the nearest star. Okay, bye.
Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you know, log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.